guys, Emma here for today's video. I'm so excited because I feel like it's my first time unboxing video for beauty product. I really thank you to YesStyle for sending me this beautiful product. I got this package 3 days ago, but I kept my purse to open that because I really want to share my genuine excitement and genuine reaction. This gift box is from brand YesStyle. It's one of Korean beauty brand and I started enjoying one of their cleanser, so I applied for a campaign in YesStyle and I was chosen to test their product out. I haven't unboxed yet for you guys, so without much further ado, let's jump into it. Oh, this package is so beautiful. I feel like I got a gift. Yeah, it's a gift. So I'm gonna untie the ribbon. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to ruin it, but I have to open it, you know. But I'm not gonna cut it. You can see I'm just gonna slice it. Ooh, yes, let's open it. So I'm just gonna pull the product out from this box because I don't know what's gonna be in the box. Ooh, the whole box looks like this. Ooh, let me check. So what is it? You can see. Oh, it's a serum. Oh, it's good because I don't have any serum, so I need it. So the name of this serum is Poncirus Trifoliata. See, I don't know how to read it. So it's a serum for dark spot. I suffered from acne before, so I definitely have some pigmentation issues. So it's gonna be good for my dark acne spot. And according to the label, it's also good for brightening of my skin tone and good for my pigmentation issues. Actually, I have them, so it's gonna be really good. And it has vitamin C. Vitamin C usually good for anti-aging, so I think it's a preventative item for wrinkles. I'm pretty excited to test this out. Let me go through quickly the description of this product. A brightening serum packed with Poncirus Trifoliata. I'm not sure it's the right pronunciation. Extract and vitamin C derivative to provide intensive care for dark spots, freckles, and uneven skin tone. Oh, I have all the problems, so let's gonna open it. So I feel like the color is gonna be yellow color. Oh, nice. You can see. So definitely seems like kind of thick serum, not like a watery type. So let me just gonna try it out. Pump it. I love the texture. Ooh. It's not like too much thick. Oh, it's kind of watery. Yes. I'm just gonna rub it in on my hands. It absorbs pretty quickly. It doesn't have strong scent, so I love it because I'm not a big fan of scented product. And it's really lightweight. I don't feel like I wear anything, but I definitely feel my skin gets instantly moisturized. Yeah, it's really lightweight, so I'm really excited to try this out on my face. I love this kind of consistency. It's not like too much thick or too much watery. It's kind of in between. Yeah, I love it. And I have all the problems, you know, freckles, dark spots. It also helps brighten up my skin. And this Poncirus Trifoliata, I've never heard this word in English, but in Korea it is called 탱자. And my father always make 탱자 juice for his skin problem. He's got many pigmentation problems and he completely cured all his skin issues. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this out. So let's move on to the next one. The packaging is the same, so I feel like they should be in the same line. And it's ampoule, lifting ampoule. It's also good for fine lines. Oh, great! It has hyaluronic acid. I love that ingredient because my skin should be more hydrated. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, I don't have many anti-aging products these days because I'm on budget. So yeah, so I'm excited. I've got some anti-aging products. Okay, let's just gonna open it. It has the same bottle, but I cannot see the inside of this ampoule. That's a difference. In the label, it says that I have to use this one after using toner. So it works as an essence. I'm gonna read the label. Fortified with Idebenone, I don't know how to pronounce it, and intense moisture for skin elasticity. Great. The main ingredient's name is Idebenone. It says that ingredient is effective for providing moisture to our skin and improve fine lines. I need it because I'm almost 30. So let me just try it on my hands. Oh, it's a yellow color. it also absorbs pretty quickly. But I think this product is definitely more moisturizing compared to the first one. So I can use these guys together to complement each other. Maybe I can use this one at first and then I can use this one later. It's more richer and the texture is a little thicker compared to the first one. So excited! So I have two more. Okay, let's see. Yeah, oh, these are in the same line. This is a cream. Oh, so it's like a 3 steps. It also contains Idebenone and it is called Lifting Cream. This cream is also effective for brightening our skin. Yeah, although you don't just want to brighten up your skin color, this kind of product is good for just even out your skin tone. Because people who suffered from acne definitely have some pigmentation issues, or if you have really thin skin, your skin gets easily sunburned and that left some redness in your skin. I feel like if you are kind of person who suffers those kind of problems, these are great options. And Make Prem's products are really affordable. I introduced one of their cleansers before. I'm still using them. They're amazing. The one thing I'm not really keen about that cleanser is I'm not a big fan of the scent, but the quality is pretty good and that doesn't strip my skin. So after using it, I feel really cleansed, but I don't feel any dryness in the skin. So I love that product anyway. So let me just go through the description here. A concentrated lifting cream provides firming skincare to tighten sagging skin. With Idebenone and moisturizes the skin with 5 layers ceramide and boosting sodium hyaluronate. Okay, let's just see how it looks like. So when I open it, there's a spatula here. Spatula is good because it's good for hygiene. The bottle is cute too. It's also yellow color. Twist it to open it. Curious about the texture. It looks like a mustard. Yellow mustard! Just my first impression. So I'm just gonna use some leftover on the lid because I don't want to waste it. Spatula. I feel like I put some butter on my hands. Oh, the consistency is definitely thick because I love kind of thick cream. It's a cream, so it should be thick, but some creams are not. They're fake. The reason why I like kind of heavy texture cream, because I wouldn't say that my skin is dry. My skin is kind of normal type skin. I'm just lazy to layer on. I want to make everything simple, so if my skincare routine takes a lot of time and too much complicated, I'm not gonna do that. So you can see it absorbs pretty quickly, because for me that's a really important selling point, because some products I cannot work with them. I have to spend too much time rub that into my hands or bodies, especially if body cream doesn't work well. I'm not gonna use that, especially in the morning. I'm busy and not too much oily, but definitely it has some oil I can feel. I think it's really lightweight, so I love it. In daytime, I'm definitely just gonna use 2 of this. In night, I wanna add this ampoule. Yeah, so these are all the products. And there's one last thing here, but I'm not sure because it's wrapped like this. Oh, I think it's not a product. What is it? Is it a bag? Let's see. Ooh. Oh! This is a eco bag. Thank you so much. Because I need an eco bag. I can use this as a grocery bag or to take my laptop with me whenever I go to cafe. But in Korea, the regulation for preventing coronavirus is getting serious and serious, so we cannot have coffee at a cafe. So I will use it later, but thank you so much. So these are all the products I've got. So excited because I don't have any product having vitamin C and for anti-aging, and I love the texture of the cream. As I told you guys, I just used the same cream every freaking month. I think I've gone through that cream more than 15 bottles. That is Bioderma's cream. That's one of my favorites. The texture is quite similar. That only has one feature, just moisturizing my skin. But it's a kind of all-in-one product. Not only for moisturizing my skin, but also for pre-vanity purposes, such as for improving my wrinkles and also for evening out my skin tone. So I'm so happy about it. I'm definitely gonna... Oops! Oh, I'm such a hot mess. Anyway, I'm dying to try this guys out after finishing this filming. So these guys are all I want to share for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys also feel my excitement and enthusiasm to test new products out, because I really love that activity. Sometimes some products break out, but I definitely can feel these products are for me. I can feel the destiny. When I just test this product out, I instantly feel that these guys are right up my alley. So if you guys are curious about this product, I will link all the information in the description box below so you can check them out. Anyway, I really enjoyed to film this video because it's my first time unbox makeup product from the brand I like and the company I want to work with. So just want to say thank you to YesStyle for sending me this product again. Literally, it's one of my dreams come true. I watched a lot of PR box unboxing, those kind of videos on YouTube, and I finally filmed. It's not PR box, but it's almost same. So I think it's a big achievement for me. So I just want to celebrate by myself. Anyway, thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for supporting me and my channel. And if you are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness related video every week. You can also follow me on my Instagram. And also don't forget to hit the notification button so you can check my latest video. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Going crazy, my heart is breaking. I can't sleep at all. Try to get